Okay, here we are. This is 1544 Waller, and so you have that little carrot right there to actually open the door. So let's go and see what we have, our floors in this closet, big closet actually. And now we go and see bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1. Once again, we are at 1544 Waller. So this closet, bedroom number 1. Now we go to bedroom number 2, closet. So we are just 1 block from Haights Street, which is right there. So really beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Victorian apartment waiting for you to see and live. So let's see more details in here. This is bedroom number 2. Turn on the light. And the apartment comes over with plenty of light, plenty of light. So we see here another, this is a bathroom which is updated, as you can see. So we have a restroom right here. So we have 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. So we see the living room right here. With plenty of space, really living room, dining room. So you have a really flexible floor plan, updated kitchen with top of the line refrigerator, cabinetry, which is updated as well, dishwasher, stove, and sink. So we have a little pantry right here, and this unit comes over with garage that can be purchased with a little rent for it if you need to use it. And to see it, all what you need to do is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, at 415-312-5017. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and plenty of light. So